There's no better advice I have today for MSPs to grow their business than to look at their customer. If you look at the things that your customer is looking to invest in, number one, we're hearing from automation because of the pandemic and growing things like RPA and no code, low code platforms. But every part of your customer is looking to get more resilient, get more efficient and effective. And the opportunities for MSPs are huge in the automation area. Talk about a business that already knows automation. Number two is around cloud acceleration. You saw Azure growing by 50 and then 48 and 47 in the last 3 quarters in the pandemic. Google Cloud grew by 54. You saw the AWS guy get a big promotion last week. These are huge opportunities for multi-cloud, hybrid cloud conversations with your customers and the 5-time multiplier that comes behind them for managing and installing and integrating and securing and governing and all the data that comes downstream. The next thing is look at your vendors. You have big vendors like IBM and Cisco and HPE and Dell all announcing full as-a-service subscription models. This is going to change pretty radically. How you make money in a subscription model and how you take advantage of it is going to be very different. So look at the vendors, look at the programs, look at how the program dollars are changing and where they're looking to really drive value, more so before the transaction and the value you can add there working with your customer. And then after the transaction, that multiplier, driving adoption for them, driving integrations and stickiness, and driving upsell and cross-sell every 30 days forever is going to become the key KPIs and obviously the biggest way for you to make money. This is a huge opportunity. Managed services is back growing by double digits again. And we're here to take the opportunity.